This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to scan this QR code on your PlayStation 5. So if I go over this with just my camera option, nothing's really going to happen. So I can click this little link, and then it'll go to approve right here. So this is under the PlayStation app. So I want to go to the Google Play Store, and I want to get the PlayStation app, sign in with your email address and password, and open this up. And then we can go to Settings, right here. Go down to Console Management and go to Scan QR Code. And you can scan this and you can sign in via that method right there and just hit Approve. Now in the future, if you're trying to log in, there's just going to be a pop-up notification. You just hit Approve, and then you don't have to really mess with anything on here. You don't have to type in a code. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.